like it. It's clean, simple, good hookups, friendly people. Check-in was super easy. We got in after hours last night, about 6 o'clock, and the lady at the desk was super nice, inviting, and gave me lots of good information. Check-in was quick, so we were able to get to our site really easily. All the sites here are pull-through, and which makes it, even easier, no backing up, especially getting in after hours at night. There's a heated water supply. They have it wrapped, and those you have to disconnect by 11 p.m. So from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. In the winter, you have to keep your non-heated hose disconnected just because of the freezing issue. But they have 30 and 50 amp hookups. They have sewer, so it's a full hookup site. They have a playground. It looked pretty cute. They have a little dog area. People are not cleaning up after their dogs, which is but otherwise, the dog area was pretty cool. We have 2 little dogs with us, so that worked out good. You do have a really nice, clean laundry area to do your laundry in, and you get laundry codes. So I believe the laundry is 24-hour access. It's right off the highway, so it's super easy to get to, super easy to find. We had no problems with our Google Maps showing us how to get here, and yeah, it's good overall, really great place to stop.